legal process for all individuals.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 25 years ago, my senior colleague Matt Lee had joined this press briefing room. Mr. Richard Boucher was the press gentleman like you are. I'm here.
That's
You're
not.
looking
That's
at
not.
Matt.
That's not right.
Yeah.
Richard Boucher was no. Jamie Rubin was the spokesman.
Just a few months later, Mr. Richard Boucher
No.
came, and he's my friend till this day.
Do you want me to step off stage for a minute and you guys can handle this?
I don't know why my
It's the
name has
last
to come
day
up
before
here.
election, so let's make it a little more serious. So, Mr.
ironic.
Mr. Matt, last 2 years, in 25 years, I've skipped journalism only for a year and a half when I was in Virginia Hospital Center. So when I came, then I started, and you have been here since most of the time here. Last week, my 6-year-old son also came here to ask you a question. Unfortunately, he was taken out. Other journalist children have been allowed. Last week, my question is, last week, you had the audacity to say that your administration had nothing to do with the removal of Imran Khan, while you had told my friend, again my friend Matt, the word close-ish about the removal of Imran Khan.
No,
Remember
that is not an accurate representation
You
of what
had
I
said
said.
that we had told Imran Khan that your visit to Russia was a disliking, and we had
I
that
should leave it
basis.
alone, but you're not right.
Okay. Second one. Yesterday, a Supreme Court attorney got recovered after a month of abduction in Pakistan. After a month, Supreme Court attorney. Is that not human rights violations that I personally have been mentioning to you since last 2 years, and you have not once even said to me that Jalil.
Jalil, I'm not aware of that report, so I can't comment on it.
But human rights violations I have not brought into your notice on multiple parliamentarians abducted, senators abducted, lawyers abducted.
Do you have a question, Jalil?
You do not acknowledge that in 2 years you have completely ignored these things. And today is the last day before your election. I want to show this picture to you how I feel as a journalist.
All right.
In 2 years, the way
Go
you
ahead,
have
Behind.
treated
Go
me
ahead.
and Kareem.
Go ahead, Behind. If you have a question. You know what? This is we have Jalil. This is question time, not argument time in the briefing room. Go ahead, Behind you. Go ahead. And I appreciate journalists that show up with questions, not extended arguments. Go ahead.
That's I want to tell you the last day of the election.
You can go ahead with your question.
Journalism, please.
Go ahead with your question. I'm going to respect journalism by calling on a journalist in the room.